ये बच्चे ही हमारा फ्यूचर है. This world, this planet is being left for our children. This is the generation that will inherit the earth long after we are gone. India is a young country. In fact, it has one of the youngest populations. It is home to 1/5 of the world's youth. If we can channel the collective energy of this youth demographic towards socio-economic and environmental progress, then think of how much faster we can get to our sustainable development goals. And so it is garv ki baat that youth heroes are leading the charge in India, championing climate action, promoting hygiene, and advancing public health. Their innovative solutions and passionate advocacy are driving meaningful change, inspiring communities to adopt sustainable practices. These are the future leaders of our nation. These are the young change makers who will pave the way for a healthier, greener India. और इसीलिए हम इन बच्चों की तरफ अपना ध्यान देना चाहिए. बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं ये बच्चे. क्यों बच्चों?
Well, thank you, Ayushman. I think Ayushman has set the context for our show today. As we wrap up the 10th season of the NDTV Detol Banega Swasth India, the focus shifts to the future. It is young people today who hold the key to transformative change. The youth bring fresh perspectives, innovation, and boundless energy, making them pivotal in driving positive shifts in various aspects of society. And today on Independence Day, we are celebrating the power of India's youth. We are at the MCT Tagore Garden on this special day in the MCT school. Now, over the years, our campaign has been working very closely with children. Millions of children are part of the Banega Swasth India campaign through the Hygiene Curriculum, Hygiene Olympiad, and the CRI schools. So let me just tell you a little bit about the CRI schools. Climate resilient schools are the schools designed to be resilient to the impacts of climate change. They incorporate features and practices that help mitigate environmental impact and adapt to changing climate conditions. These schools focus on sustainability, including energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste management, while also educating students about climate change and caring for the environment. The CRI schools are creating a learning environment that supports both the educational needs of the students and the health of our planet.
आपने climate change की बात की.
जी.
This is perhaps the most pressing issue of our times. आपको पता है कि climate change क्या होता है बच्चों?
वाओ, अच्छा सब बताइए क्लाइमेट चेंज है क्या? आप क्या समझते हैं?
मैम, क्लाइमेट चेंज का मतलब है जलवायु परिवर्तन. और जो भी पृथ्वी पे पॉल्यूशन होता है ना, तो पृथ्वी की जो ओजोन परत है उसमें होल्स हो रहे हैं, जिससे जो सन है उसकी पराबैंगनी किरणें सीधा हमारी पृथ्वी पे आती है और जिससे पृथ्वी का तापमान बढ़ता चला जा रहा है. बरसात में बारिश नहीं हो रही है और सर्दियों में बर्फ़ नहीं हो रही है. और मैं उत्तराखंड से हूँ, तो जिस हिसाब से वहाँ आज तक बारिश होती थी और उस हिसाब से इस बार इतनी बारिश नहीं हुई है. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, जिससे उसका इफेक्ट हम लोगों पे पड़ता है, जिससे कई बीमारियां होती हैं.
Climate change has a bearing on every single sustainable development goal, on every single vulnerable and marginalized section of the population, on the rich and the poor, on cities and villages, and it has a direct link with health and hygiene. Think of extreme weather events, droughts, floods, rain, and extreme heat.
So did you all know that in fact children who bear the brunt of climate change, it impacts them the most despite contributing minimally to greenhouse gas emissions. So it's not really their fault, but they're bearing the brunt. It's imperative to prioritize their protection and empower their voices. And who better to do it than themselves?